Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. And that is a he, he, or my. If this is your afternoon. Good morning. If this is your morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. And good evening. If this is your evening. Mgbede ọma. Or good night, as the case may be. If this is peradventure your own night. So wherever you are, take your own greetings. This is the Igbo tutor live. You are expected to be in this class by now. So wherever you are, a member of this channel and they are not yet here, begin to join now. This is the Igbo tutor live. This is the time agreed when we need to meet together to practice speaking Igbo language. Here we do Igbo language speaking drill. So if you are not yet a member of the channel, you do well to join. If you are watching this video, a replay of it in our homepage, and you are not yet a member of the channel, you do well to join our channel membership. That is the only thing that will give you access to participate in the live class. So you do well to join today and be part of these interesting episodes. Every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, we meet together to brainstorm, practice speaking Igbo language, practice comprehension and understanding and expression and writing of Igbo language. You may have been watching videos of Igbo, lessons, but there got to be a time when you have to test what you have learned over time and measure your progress and see where you need to improve further. So this live class gives you the opportunity to try to see if you can understand anything that is said, comprehend whatever it is said, and then use it accordingly. So you do well to join our live class every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Ehihie ọma, Nwada Cherimango Shoibi, ndewo na class nke taa. You are the first to be in class today. I hope others will join suit so we don't waste much time. So Shoibi, no. Where are the rest? We're waiting for them to join. So members of the channel are the ones we are waiting for now. In case you are watching a replay, we need to wait for those who paid for this class to be in class so we can proceed. I have one of them already in class, Shoibi. So we wait for others to join up so that we can start today's lesson. Dewo Nwada Shoibi. Okay. Let me give you your own greetings. I hope others will join up as quick as possible. So, okay. I don't know. I hope I remember this is how to spell your name if I can get it. Okay. So you are welcome to class. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Can you confirm that? Well, that's your EB. Can you hear me loud and clear? Do confirm that I'm audible enough. Can you confirm that? You can hear me loud and clear. Do confirm that. Sherry Mango. Okay. Dalo, that's great. All right. So we'll wait a little bit to see if any other person can join. As soon as we have 2 students in class, we will begin. We don't need to wait for others because we have time fixed for this. And we cannot waste other people's time. So let's wait a bit and see whether one more person can join so the class can be more interactive. There we go. Okay, last Saturday you are not in class, so you missed last Saturday class. Are you back to base or you are still in Nigeria? Because I think you entered this, you paid for your channel membership using Nigeria link or Nigeria channel. Were you in Nigeria where you pay for that subscription? I guess you came for Christmas or something like that. Can you confirm? Where that should be? Were you in Nigeria? Okay. Have you gone back to, is it US or UK? Where are you? Are you in UK or US? Remind me, please. I've forgotten. Are you in US? Were you in US or UK? Do remind me. KDBB or US or UK? Ubua, Anom na UK. Okay. That's good. Ubua, no na UK. Your Igbo is getting stronger now. Great. There you go. Chineke nọnyere gị n'aha Jesus. Amen. Okay. Let me give you that my prayer. Okay. I say Chineke. Okay. Chineke nọnyere gị. My I with dot under is refusing to come up. I don't know why. Let me try another Igbo version and see whether it will give me that. For where? Usa. It did not. Anytime I'm live, my I refuse to come with dot under. Nọnyere gị n'aha Jesus. Okay. Jesus. Okay. This is my prayer for you. Look at my Chineke. It's not even okay. I wrote C-O instead of C-R, C-H. I got to remove it. It's not good. It's not good. Princess Ezenwa. Ibatago? No. Okay, I'm writing my prayer again. I was about praying for you when Princess Ezenwa came in. Okay. My Chineke is not good, so I have to repeat it. All right. So that's the prayer. Princess Ezenwa ndewo. Keki imere. No na class. So now we are here. We have to start while others will be joining later. Today we're going to make simple sentences using what we have done before, but we're expanding it to cover other areas. So we are going to use nke a, nke ahụ, nke ọzọ, nke ọbụla, nke ukwu, nke nta, and the rest to make sentences. So you will have to follow me through as we do that. You ready for that? Is anyone you can hear me very well? Hope you can hear me well. So let's go. First sentence. Achọghị m nke a. Achọghị m nke a ma ọlị. I can hear you well. Okay, that's good. The first sentence is achọghị m nke a. Let me make it as simple as possible. Achọghị m nke a. What did I say? Achọghị m nke a. Somebody is trying to interrupt this class with call. Achọghị m nke a. Yes. Okay. Okay. Princess has written. Sherry Mango, what do you say? Joybi. The sentence is achọghị m nke a. Achọghị m nke a. Okay. Two of you have responded, but let me write what I've said in Igbo so we can see if we are going to amend our submission. Okay, my eye is not always coming with dot under. Okay, this is what I said. You wrote, Ezenwa wrote, I don't want this. Shoibi wrote, I don't want this thing. All of you tried. If it is, I don't want this, is also correct. I don't want this thing. Okay, it's also partially correct. But the perfect answer should be, I don't want this one. Of course, this one and this is almost the same thing. So SN1 is almost right. Nkea is this one or this. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. You ask me, which one do I want? Ask me that question in Igbo. Which one do you want? Ask me that question in Igbo. Go ahead and type it in Igbo. Which one do you want? Since I've said I don't want this one, you ask me, which one do you want? Ask me that question in Igbo language. Which one do you want? Go ahead and type it in the chat. Which one do you want? Ask me that question. Okay. Shoebi wrote nke ọbụla achọ gị. Ezenwa wrote kedu ole ị chọrọ gị. All of you tried. All of you tried. But what it should be is you can use ole. You can use ole nke. Please, my I should have dot under. My keyboard is not accepting that in this live session. So know that when I wrote my I should have dot under. Ole nke chọrọ. You can use this, or you can also say kedu nke. My I in both cases has dot under them. Don't forget. You can use ole nke chọrọ or kedu nke chọrọ. Which one do you want? So, Ezenwa wrote kedu and ole. Those two words cannot be used together. You either choose one. You can say kedu nke chọrọ. Kedu nke chọrọ. You can write ole, kedu ole chọrọ gị. That you wrote there is the same thing as gị. So you are repeating it. Shoibi wrote nke ọbụla achọ gị. No, that is not correct. So the answer is ole nke chọrọ or kedu nke chọrọ. Which one do you want? Is that clear? Please indicate if you are clear with my explanations. Indicate if you are clear with my explanations. Say A if you are clear. Very well. Very well. Ezenwa, how about you? Are you okay with that? Is it clear enough? Yes, Ezenwa. You write we or A? Okay, that's corrected. Okay, now we're going on. Biko nye m nke ahụ. Next sentence. Biko nye m nke ahụ. Biko nye m nke ahụ. That's what I said. Biko nye m nke ahụ. Write what I've said in Igbo language. Biko nye m nke ahụ. Ezenwa, please give me that thing. Shoibi, please give me that thing. Okay. Both of you tried. You wrote almost the same thing. Give me that thing, give me that thing. But let me write what I've said in Igbo. Biko nye m nke ahụ. Let's see. Biko nye m nke ahụ. This is what I said. It actually means you all began well. Please give me, you all began well. Give me that one. That one. Okay? Not that thing. That thing is ihe ahụ. That is that thing. We've done that before. Okay? That thing is ihe ahụ. So this one we're doing today, nke. Just know that it is talking about one. This one, that one, or whatever it is. Okay? So it's talking about nke. Nke is the one. Okay? This one, that one. Okay? So just have it in mind that we're going to be using one. This one, that one. We've done this one. We've done that one. Nke ahụ. So have it at the back of your mind that is what we are dealing with in this series. Okay? Please give me that one. Biko nyem nke ahụ. Okay? Now you're going to ask me this question. How about the other one? 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 Ask me that question in Igbo. How about the other one? Let's go. How about the other one? Ask me this question in Igbo. How about the other one? Okay, princess is in. You forgot that we have done nke ahụ in the last question, in the last sentence, which is that one. Now I'm talking about the other one. Although nke ahụ can also be used for the other one. Okay, so Ibi, what do you say? How about the other one? Kee maka nke ahụ ọzọ. That's an amendment. Okay, from Princess. What about Shoibi? I'm waiting for you. How about the other one? Okay, Shoibi, I'm waiting for you. How about the other one? Good effort from Princess. Both of you are trying. How about the other one? Shoibi is in Kedu. Kedu nke ahụ ọzọ. Okay, good effort. Good effort from all of you. It should be Kedu maka. Princess is nearer to it. Kedu maka nke ọzọ. Okay, kedu maka nke ọzọ. So nke ọzọ can be used for the other one or another one. Nke ọzọ is both another one and the other one. Both can go for nke ọzọ. Nke ọzọ. Kee maka nke ọzọ. So shoibiro kee kedu nke ahụ ọzọ. No. It is kee maka nke ọzọ. How about? Whenever you hear how about, it's kee maka. Kee maka. Okay. So nke ọzọ, the other one or another one. Another one, the other one. Kee maka nke ọzọ. How about the other one? How about another one? Okay. Kee maka nke ọzọ. Kee maka nke ahụ also can go for how about the other one? Okay. So it's not too far from it, but it should be kee maka nke ọzọ. Another one or the other one. Nke ọzọ. Okay. Am I making sense? Am I communicating? Please confirm if I'm carrying you along. Confirm that you are with me. Princess, Shoibi, confirm we are together. Are we together? Very well. Very well. All right, Princess, hope we are together. We move. Okay. Good. Next sentence. Aga m enye gị nke ọbụla ị chọrọ. Aga m enye gị nke ọbụla ị chọrọ. Aga m enye gị nke ọbụla ị chọrọ. Let's go. Write what I've said in English. Aga m enye gị nke ọbụla ị chọrọ. Let's go there. Write what I've said in Igbo. In English, rather. Aga m enye gị nke ọbụla ị chọrọ. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Aga m enye gị nke ọbụla ị chọrọ. Yes. Aga m enye gị nke ọbụla ị chọrọ. Princess is in. Remember, I said this nke we are dealing with now is going with one, 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 one. Not 10, not 10. I said one. One. I said one. I gave you that clue that we should be using one for it in the English version. Okay. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. That's better. That's better, princess. That's better. Whatever is ihobola is not what we're dealing with here. It's not nkobola. Whatever is ihobola. So it's better. Princess is better with your correction. Okay, let me write the Igbo version. If you are in this class, you've not greeted us, you're not doing well. And you are not responding, you are not greeting us, you're a silent student, it's not good. Let's know you are here. Mhm. Remember, my eye has dot under them. My system is not giving me that. But don't forget to put that in your own writing. This is what I said. Aga m enye gị nke ọbụla ị chọrọ. And Princess got it right in her second attempt. I will give you anyone you want. Excellent work. Excellent. Nothing to add. As Shuibi tried also, I will give you whatever you want, not whatever, anyone. Nkobula issues. Anyone. Nkobula, anyone you want. Okay? That is exactly what it is. So you ask me now, which one do you want? Ask me, which one do you want? I hope I've not asked that. Okay, yes. Ask me this question. Which one do you want? Ask me in Igbo. Which one do you want? Ask me this question in Igbo. Which one do you want? Yes, since I've said I'll give you anyone you want. Ask me this question. Which one do you want? Ask me in Igbo language. Let's go. Mhm. Who is shooting first? Who is in this class that is not communicating with us? No greeting, no salute, no contribution. That is not fair. Which one do you want? Princess is in, Shoaib is in. Okay, who got it? The third person in the class is not responding, did not greet us. That's not fair enough. You just greet us so we know we pick your name and return your greetings to you. Which one do you want? Princess say, Ole nke ị chọrọ. Shoibi said, Gịnị nke ị chọrọ? The winner is Princess Ezenwa. Ole nke ị chọrọ. You can also put it this way. You can also start by saying, Nke ole ka ị chọrọ. That is another way of saying it. Okay, nke ole ka ị chọrọ. But the way Princess wrote it is excellent. Excellent. Ole nke ị chọrọ. Excellent. Nothing to remove, nothing to add. Ole nke ị chọrọ. Ndewo Maazị Nnake. Are you the silent person that was here since? That refused to greet us? You are welcome to class. Okay. Ole nke ị chọrọ. So Princess, thumbs up. You got that perfectly well. You can also say nke ole ka ị chọrọ. But the easier way to write it is the way Princess wrote it. Ole nke ị chọrọ. Ole nke ị chọrọ. Which one do you want? You can also say kedu nke ị chọrọ. Is also correct. Kedu nke ị chọrọ. That is also correct. Kedu nke ị chọrọ is also correct. Kedu nke ị chọrọ is also correct. Kedu nke ị chọrọ? Ole nke ị chọrọ? Kedu and ole are used interchangeably in most cases. All right. My response to your question is achọrọ m nke kacha mma. Achọrọ m nke kacha mma. What did I say? Achọrọ m nke kachasị mma. Let's go. Who will explain what I've said now? Achọrọ m nke kachasị mma. Yes? Princess is on fire today. Princess on fire. No gree at all. O kwechiri ekwechi. Okay, let's go. Achọrọ m nke kachasị mma. Princess is in. Okay, Nnake is in too. What about Shoibi? Where are you? Achọrọ m nke kachasị mma. Shoibi is in too. I want the one that I like. Good effort. I want, Princess, I want the best one. Excellent. Excellent. Bravo. Nnake, I want the best one. Perfect. That is the answer. I want the best one. Let me write the Igbo version. Show if you are trying. Don't forget, this is a Yoruba woman, a Yoruba lady that is learning Igbo language and pushing along and challenging all of us. So give kudos to her. Okay. Achọrọ m. Okay. I want the best. Okay. Achọrọ m. Okay. Kachasị. My C, the I have dot under. Please. Achọrọ m nke kachasị mma. I want the best. Okay. So Shoibi, when we say kachasị mma, we're talking about the best. Nke dị mma is the one that is good. Okay. The one I like is achọrọ m nke dị m mma. That is the one I like. I'm talking to Shoibi now. If I say I want the one that I like is achọrọ m nke dị m mma, the one that is good for me. Nke dị m mma. That is the one I like. Okay. But nke kachasị is the highest level of being good. So that is the best one, the one that is best. Kachasị. Let me grade it properly. Achọrọ m nke dị mma. I want good one. Nke dị mma. Don't forget. So, nke dị mma is just good one. Good one. Okay. Nke ka mma is better one. Better one. Then nke kacha mma. Okay. Best one. So you look at the grading here. Nke dị mma is good one. Nke ka mma is better one. Nke kachasị mma is best one. Please confirm if you understand all I've said. Okay. Why? Nke dị mma is the one I like. Nke dị mma is the one I like. Sorry, I didn't put the one there. I didn't put one here. I'm sorry about that. I got to remove it. I got to remove it. I'm talking about nke dị mma is the one I like. That's what Shoibi was, the one Shoibi wrote. Nke dị mma, the one I like. Nke dị mma generally, good one. Nke ka mma, better one. Nke kachasị mma, best one. So I believe everybody is following. Right? As everyone, Nake, are we all together in this? Following through? Please confirm here with me. Right, moving on. And then, next sentence now. Enyi m chọrọ nke ukwu. Enyi m chọrọ nke ukwu. Enyi m chọrọ nke ukwu. Let's write that. in Igbo, in English rather. Enyi m chọrọ nke ukwuu. Let's go. I will not repeat it. Oh, write what I've said in English. Let's go. Waiting for you. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Who has a sharp ear and a sharp mind? Yes, let's go. Nake in first. Should it be followed? Okay, so I should repeat it. I said, Enyi m chọrọ nke ukwuu. Enyi m chọrọ nke ukwuu. I think that's the last time I'm repeating it. Should it be? I hope it's clear now. Yes, let's go. Princess, are you there? Let's go there. Yes. I expect Nake to review his own response. Now I've made it clearer. And then Shoibi, Sherimango, repeat, give your response. Princess, where are you? Let's go. Is it network that's holding us? Okay. Is it network? Let's go there. Okay, Princess, come in. You answered twice, but the answer did not come in, unfortunately. Your answer did not come in. Your answer did not come in, Princess. Sorry about that. It didn't come in. It was not dropped here. Can you repeat your answer? I think we had network glitch or glitch. What do they call it? I think glitch. Can you repost it, Princess? We had network glitch. We couldn't see your response. Try to repost. Repost is not delivered. Okay. Now it's delivered. My friend did what? Oh, it's delivered now. Is it cutting off part of it? Okay. Okay. You are answering it in threefold. You're sending it in three parts. You broke it into three. My friend wants the big one. It's broken into three. I don't know whether that was how you sent it, but all the same, your answer is correct. Enyim choro nke uku. My friend wants the big one. That's correct, Princess. You got it right. So I don't know. Okay, it did not show up when you sent it together. I don't know why. Your answer had been coming together before. What did you do to them? Have you offended them? I don't know. Sorry about that. But let me write what I said in English. Yes, I'm writing it now. I'm writing it now. But the one you are writing in English now, the sentence now is complete in full. Why are they breaking your answer? What happened? This is the sentence in Igbo. Okay. That is what I said. Enyim choro nke. I believe Nake can see that he's off point there. Okay. Enyim choro nke. Are we there? Okay. Are we together? Enyim choro nke is my friend, one big one or the big one. Enyim is my friend. One's the big one or just big one. Yes, that's fine. Next sentence, if we are following, mana enwere m nke nta. Mana enwere m nke nta. For the last time, mana enwere m nke nta. Let's go. Write what I've said now in English. Let's go. Waiting for you. Who is shooting first? Sherry Mango is in. First in this case. Followed by Nake. Yes, Princess, where are you? Princess. Come in. Where are you? Don't miss in action. I hope they are not holding your chat again. Oh, the message don't send. Why is your message is coming in when you are complaining, but it's not coming in when you are answering questions? I hope these people are not ganging up against you. What did you do to them? Have network identified you and marked you for denial of response? I don't know. This new year must not be so. Okay, but he said your answer is the same as what other people wrote, and that answer is correct. It's correct. Let me write it in Igbo. So it be well done. Mana enwere m nke nta. But I have small one. But I have small one. So your responses are correct. Okay. Your responses are correct. Now, next sentence. Nke ole ka ha nyere unu? Nke ole ka ha nyere unu? Nke ole ka ha nyere unu? Write what I've said in English. Nke ole ka ha nyere unu? Nke ole ka ha nyere unu? Who is doing that for us first? Yes. Let's go. Don't forget to give our live class thumbs up. Hit the like button if you are learning something from here. Don't forget to give it a like. Okay. Cherry mango is in. Yes, I wait for others to come in. Yes. What are the rest doing? Princess. Nake. Waiting for you. Okay. Nake is in. Princess. Are you having the same problem? You know, you have to write in English now. I think your English complaint used to come in. So try again. Yeah, it has come in now. Okay, how many did we? You don't know the rest. Let me write the English version. Oh, the Igbo version rather. This is what I said. Can anybody review his own response? Because all your responses are not correct. Now that I've written the Igbo version, can you review your answer in the light of what I've written now? Yes, review your answer in view of what I've written in Igbo. Review your answer. Okay, princess is in. Sherry mango. Sherry is on fire, oh, no joke. Okay, Nake, where is your own reviewed answer? Princess is reviewing further. Where is Nake? Don't miss in action. Nake, what do you say? Nake, waiting for you. Come in. What happened to which one? That is incomplete sentence. What is which one? I made a full sentence. You wrote which one? Write a full sentence, Nake. Or you want me to join this, your last one, with the first one you made before? I don't know. But let's see the answers I've got. Cherry mango got it perfectly well. Which one did they give you? Even if you didn't put you all, it's still correct. You is referring to plural, any people here. That is unu, which is perfect. Which one did they give you all? So Sherry Mango is the winner here, not how many. I was talking about when I'm talking about Nke. Nke here, I said one, one, one. Which one? Okay. So that is, I've given you that clue before. So princess is not how many. If I say Ole on its own, ole, it becomes how many? I'm asking for number. But nke ole is which one? Which one? That's nke ole. But if I say ole ka ha nyere unu on its own, if I simply say ole ka ha nyere unu, this is simply how many? Did they give you people? Okay. That is, if I just say ole ka ha nyere unu, I'm asking for number. But if I say nke ole, is which one? Which one? Princess, do you understand what I explained now? Did you understand that, Princess? Please confirm you got what I explained. Ole ka ha nyere unu and nke ole ka ha nyere unu, the difference between the two. Please indicate if it's clear. Some of you have not hit the like button for this live class, except you are saying you are not learning anything. I'm not doing enough. Okay. Okay, very well. Next. Ọ dịghị nke dị m mma. Or o nweghị nke dị m mma. That's the next sentence. O nweghị nke dị m mma. Or ọ dịghị nke dị m mma. Naka is not aghọta m, it's aghọtara m. Aghọtara m. Understood or understand. Past tense. Okay. So I've made a new sentence. Ọ dịghị nke dị m mma or o nweghị nke dị m mma. Both are the same thing. Right? What I've said in English. Yes. Sherry Mango has tried. Let me see what others will say. Yes, let's go. Princess. Okay. Nnake, what do you say to this? Ọ dịghị nke dị mma. Ọ dịghị nke dị m mma. Yes, Nnake. Let's go. Nnake, I'm waiting for you. Yes, Nnake. Waiting for you. Are you there? Okay. Let me be writing the Igbo version. Okay, Nnake is in. None is good for me. Woo! You came behind to win it. That is the answer. But let me write it in Igbo. Ode. My Ode has double I, has dot under them, please. Okay. All my I had dot under them. This is what I said. Ode nke dị m mma. I also said you can use onweghị. What is going on here? Okay. Onweghị nke dị mma. Both are correct. Onweghị nke dị mma or dị nke dị mma. That day has dot under the eyes. Okay? Onweghị nke dị mma or dị nke dị mma. Nnake got the answer correctly. None or none of them or none is good for me. Nnake was able to decode this one properly and crack it. Right. So you ask me, what are we going to do? Since I say there is none that is good for me, ask me, what are we going to do? Ask me in Igbo. What are we going to do? Ask me this question in Igbo language. What are we going to do? Let's go. What are we going to do? Ask me this question in Igbo language. Yes, waiting for you. Any response? What are we going to do? Yes? Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Okay, Sherry Mango is here. Princess is here. Nake, where are you? What are we going to do? This is future tense, so Sherry Mango, you tried. Princess, good effort. Nake, where are you? Nake. Okay, all of you tried, but something is still missing. The person that was closest was Princess. Princess was the closest. Gineka. She used present continuous tense instead of future tense. Okay. It should be gaeme, not naeme. Naeme is for present continuous. Gaeme will do in future. Okay, that's where Princess missed it. So that is where Princess missed it. Otherwise, she got it right. Gineka. Anyị gaeme. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Princess, that is the corrected version. Gineka anyị gaeme. Good. All right. Anyị ga-emechi maka ụbọchị taa. Anyị ga-emechi klaasị nke taa. That is what we are going to do now. Anyị ga-emechi klaasị nke taa. Write what I've said in Igbo. Anyị ga-emechi klaasị nke taa. Write it in Igbo. Oh, write it in English rather. Anyị ga-emechi klaasị nke taa. Write that in English. Yes, let's go. Who is shooting first? Who is coming in first? Sherry Mango. You always coming in first. Where are you? I said it. Okay. Okay. Nake, I'm waiting for you. You are the only one remaining. We will be finishing this little class. What is little there? There's no little there. Okay. Let us finish class today. Almost closed, almost that. Princess, almost that. But let me write what I said in Igbo. Okay. My eyes have dots under them. Okay. Now, can you review what you answered based on what I've written now? Review your answers if you have any review to make. Review your answers using what I've written now. Review your answers if you have any review to make based on the Igbo I've written. Cherry Mango, we will be finishing today's class, correct? But I'm looking for a perfect word. There's one word missing there. There's no finishing in my sentence. But we will is correct. We will is correct. We will is correct, but no finishing in my Igbo sentence. Today's class is correct. That's class in Keta. That's correct. The only thing that Sherry Mango added that I didn't have in my sentence is finishing. Who is going to make the correction for us? Who is making the correction for us? Princess, Nakeya, all students. Oh yeah, do the correction. Let's go. Who is getting it first? Nake, Princess. Yes. Don't forget to give this class a thumbs up. Hit the like button. I don't know whether it is below or above your window. Yeah, Sherry Mango had done the correction. We will be closing today's class. Excellent, Sherry Mango. I clap for you. We will end class today or close class today, correct? Though Sherry Mango has already done it. We'll be closing today's class. Great, great people. I appreciate your coming once again. If you know you had a good class today, can you give us a thumbs up? Hit the like button in the channel, and then give us the thumbs up, the emoji here in this chat. Give us your flowers, give us your emoji, give us a thumbs up in this chat here. Do that now. Show that you have learned today from today's class. It has been an interesting class, though not many people, but you guys were responsive. Network was friendly with us today, no interruption. It has been a nice one. And I appreciate those of you that came on board today, especially Sherry Mango that came first, followed by Princess and Nake, and some other person that joined. It's been a nice time being with you and learning with you. Hope to see you again next Saturday. Thank you for always supporting this channel in all the ways you have been doing that. By paying your subscription, giving your gifts. But some people have not given me New Year gift to Princess Ezenwa. I see Oimio. Christmas and New Year, I never see your hand. Right? But it'd be nice being with you, wonderful people, learning with you, pushing ourselves together. We keep it going, keep pushing it until we get to perfection. So hope to see you next Saturday, same time. KMSIA, see you then. All right.